This is the beautiful waterfall which we tracked all the way for about an hour. Jessica, say hi.
Hi.
Hey Steve, how was it? Video.
Wet.
Wet? Really wet?
I got my other foot wet, so yay for symmetry.
That's always good. And then John and Claire are both wet.
Okay.
Sarah, how was it?
It was refreshing.
Oh, that's good. How was it?
It was so amazing. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
Praise God.
Definitely.
Hey Tim, you can do it!
Stop, Tim, stop.
Oh! Hey Grace! Grace! How was it? This is a beautiful group of people up here. See how high up it is. It's just amazing. It's just like a gift from God. Just to see how beautiful this is. This is like mountain plus waterfall. I'm so blessed for it. Whoa! How was it, Tim?
Amazing.
Really?
Oh man, look at that. Yeah, look at that. That's it. It's like,
You get everything.
yeah. I feel like I can take like a shower right there.
Whoa!
If it was warmer.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Hold on, I want
this is a gift.